Hello everyone, I'm sure y'all are thinking what I'm searching for. Well, I'm a little confused about what to make today. I think I'll have to take help from my bowl companion. Yam it is. Interesting. Yam sounds yummylicious to me. So how about I make a Nutrela soya yam roll with chili cheese? Yams are rich in vitamins and fiber, but to make this a wholesome protein-packed meal, I'm going to be using Nutrela soya mini chunks from my pantry. Whenever there's a requirement for essential proteins, I can completely rely on this. I have put Nutrela soya mini chunks into boiling water. Let's strain it. Give it a good rinse. Squeeze out all the excess water. This is done. Moving on to saute the yam, I prefer using Nutrela refined soybean oil. It maintains normal blood cholesterol, fortified with vitamins A and D, also contains natural antioxidants. Once the oil is nice and hot, into this I'm going to add in 200 grams of yam that I've diced and steamed. Fry the yam pieces in oil till they catch color. While the yam pieces are cooking, I'm going to quickly make a curd mixture. I have 1 cup of curd here. Add in a tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon sugar, salt to taste. Add in a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, raw mango powder, 1.5 teaspoons of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. I always prefer using Patanjali range of spices. Mix this well. This is done, and now let's continue with the recipe. The yam is nicely crisped up, and now into this I've taken 1 cup of Nutrela mini soya chunks. Toss the soya chunks for a minute in the pan. Add in the curd mixture. Give it a good mix. Cover and let this simmer for 5 minutes. Open it and give it a stir, and once you feel all the moisture has dried out, turn off the flame, add in some coriander leaves, give it a final mix and remove this from the hot pan. I'm greasing the pan with Nutrela refined soybean oil. Turn on the flame. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to place whole wheat tortillas or half-cooked rotis. Let it slightly cook on one side. Flip it over. Reduce the flame and quickly grate some cheese over it. Top it up with some green chilies. Once the other side is cooked, let's get it out of the pan. Drizzle some ketchup. Place some marinated onions. I've marinated them with some lemon and salt and coriander leaves. Place the soya and the yam mixture in the center and make a roll. Our Nutrela soya yam rolls are ready. Kids love rolls but would not like to eat yam individually. So this is an innovative way to serve them. I'm sure the kids will love it and foodies too. Do try this recipe at home, comment below and subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon with more such recipes with Nutrela soya. To check out more such recipes and a Nutrilicious way of life, do visit the Insta handle mynutrela. Do check our channel Rajshri Food. Comment below and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.